Hello, Xuanvu TV family. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with: how to become a morning person and actually love it, whether you're a night owl by nature or necessity. These science-backed steps will help you make the shift to early mornings. Let's get started. 1. Set new realistic bedtime and wake time goals. Before you start, figure out how much sleep you need. Different apps can help you determine your sleep need based on 1.95 million users' data. Knowing this will guide you to set realistic bedtime and wake time goals. 2. Gradually shift your sleep-wake times. Don't make drastic changes overnight. Shift your sleep-wake times by 15 to 30 minutes every few days. The different app Smart Schedule feature can assist you in finding the best bedtime gradually. 3. Use Smart Schedule feature. Leverage the Smart Schedule feature for a scientifically backed bedtime. Consider your sleep needs, accumulated sleep debt, and desired wake-up time. The app calculates when you should go to bed, gradually shifting earlier to train your body for an earlier sleep schedule. 4. Don't hit the snooze button. We know night owls might be used to sleeping in, but do your best to avoid hitting snooze. A 2022 study found hitting the snooze button prolongs sleep inertia compared to using a single alarm. Sleep inertia is the groggy feeling you get right after waking up. It's natural, but you'll feel it a lot more when you've snoozed, making mornings harder than they need to be. 5. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Once you've reached your wake time goal, stick to it. Consistency is key for maintaining a healthy circadian rhythm. Even on weekends, try to avoid disrupting your sleep schedule. Step 6. Get out in light as soon as possible each morning. Light is your ally in resetting your circadian rhythm. Spend at least 10 minutes in natural light every morning. If it's dark, consider light therapy with a 10,000 lux lamp. 7. Try light therapy dark outside when you wake up. Try using a 10,000 lux light therapy lamp. Place the lamp about 16 to 24 inches from your face and spend 30 minutes in front of it. You can do this while having your morning cup of coffee or getting ready. One study found 30 minutes of light therapy can improve sleep, anxiety, and depression in shift workers. 8. Get light exposure during the day. Sunlight during the day makes you less sensitive to evening light. Work by a window, take a walk, or exercise outdoors. The more daytime light, the easier to fall asleep early. 9. Avoid light in the evenings. Evening light suppresses melatonin. Dim the lights and use blue light blocking glasses 90 minutes before bed. 10. Have a morning routine to look forward to. Shift your mindset about mornings. Plan enjoyable activities like walks, runs, music, or a good breakfast. Give yourself at least 90 minutes in the morning for a smooth start. 11. Do challenging tasks earlier in the day. Schedule demanding tasks for your morning peak energy times. This helps train your body to adapt to the early bird schedule. 12. Exercise early and not within an hour of bedtime. Physical activity improves sleep quality. Morning workouts can help you wake up faster. Even the timing of exercise can shift your circadian rhythm. 13. Avoid caffeine about 12 hours before bed. Gradually cut off caffeine close to bedtime. 14. Avoid meals 2 to 3 hours before bed. Late meals affect sleep and circadian rhythm. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed and adjust meal times as you shift your sleep-wake times. 15. Avoid alcohol 3 to 4 hours before bed. Alcohol disrupts sleep. Avoid it 3 to 4 hours before bedtime to ensure better sleep quality. 16. Avoid naps or keep them short and early in the day. Resist midday naps during the shift. When you've adjusted, keep naps short and during your natural afternoon dip in energy. 17. Have a relaxing bedtime routine. An hour before bed, start winding down with activities like reading, warm showers, or breathing exercises. A consistent bedtime routine helps you stick to your schedule. 18. Be careful of screens before bed. Late night screen time affects sleep quality. Limit screens an hour or two before bed, especially if you struggle with morning grogginess. 19. Use a melatonin supplement if needed. Melatonin can help shift your sleep schedule. Use it occasionally and consult with a healthcare professional. 20. Keep an eye on your sleep debt. Track your sleep debt to ensure you're getting enough rest. Lowering sleep debt improves mood and performance. Calculates and monitors your sleep debt. And there you have it, Xuanvu TV Family 20 Science-Backed Steps to Become a Morning Person and Love It. Remember, it's all about gradual changes, consistency, and embracing a new morning routine. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, stay energized and have a great morning. Sleep Doctor's key advice: if you're a night owl wanting to become a morning person, your new best friend is light. Get out in sunlight as soon as possible each morning, spend more time in daylight during the day, and avoid light in the evenings. This will help to shift your body clock, and therefore sleep schedule, earlier.